Hi everyone, this is Emmy. Today I'm going to show you how to crochet the puff stitch border. So let's get started. To work the puff stitch border, start in any stitch. You pull the yarn through and then just lock it in and make a single crochet in that same stitch. Now you're going to skip the next stitch, and in the next stitch make a double crochet, yarn around the hook, insert into the stitch, pick up the yarn, pull it through, pick up the yarn, pull it through two, pick up the yarn, pull it through two. Now, working in the side of this double crochet, I'm going to make 3 double crochets, but I'm only going to work half of the double crochet. So, yarn around the hook, pass it around the side of that double crochet, and pick up the yarn on the hook. I'm going to do that 2 more times. Pick up the yarn, come around, and then pull it through. Pick up the yarn, come around, and pull it through, and you will have 7 loops on your hook. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now pick up the yarn and pull it through all those stitches. Single crochet in the next stitch. And there's the first puff stitch. To make the next one, skip the next stitch, double crochet, and now make 3 double crochets in that stitch. 1, 2, and 3. Pick up the yarn, pull it through all 7 loops on the hook, single crochet in the next stitch. You have 2. I'm going to make another one, yarn around the hook, skip the next stitch, double crochet. Now yarn around the hook 3 times and pull it through. Pick up the yarn, pull it through all 7 loops, single crochet in the next stitch. And that's how easy it is to make a puff stitch border. And that would be very nice along the edge of a sweater sleeve or along the bottom of a sweater sleeve, around a placemat, around a blanket, and any other application that you would like. So that's how it looks in this color. And here I worked a little section in a blue. So that's how easy it is to crochet a puff stitch border. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.